So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Mullen Posi Temp shower valve. Existing piping is iron pipe. You can see iron pipe right here. And the cold's over here somewhere behind the block. I'm not sure where it's at. But anyway, so everything's existing. The only thing that we put in that is new, of course, is the valve. And on this side is a half-inch galvanized street 90. So you can see it right there. And that's not ours. That's existing. And so, and the reason why is we want to keep this off the wall the same as the other one. You can see that's a pre-cut hole. That's where the old valve was. That's the old sheetrock coming out. That's the riser, the shower head coming out. So we wanted to keep everything where it was. Same height on the shower head, same distance off the wall. So we just reused that right there. And so you've got the half-inch street 90 in there. It's focusing on my finger instead. On the other side, it's just a short piece of pipe. There's a union just to the left, and I can't get a picture of it in here, but just to the left. Nope. Anyways, there's a union back right in there. That's right there, and that's existing. That's your union. That's a new nipple going in there. So that's all we had to do is, the old valve we had to cut it. Just spin it because the back side is sheetrock, and when they put these valves in, there's no sheetrock in the wall, so they can spin it around in circles. So anyways, we cut the old one out, put this new one in, screwed it on to the street 90 first, which you can see right through there, and then went ahead and put a new nipple in there. It's a 2-inch nipple tied into the existing union, and then we got a plug on the bottom, down there at the bottom to cap it off. This is a shower only, so we got a galvanized plug right there to caps it off, and then of course brand new riser in here. And so the valve is low. It's about 42.5 off the floor. We like to put them at 48. No big deal. So the riser they put in here was actually cut and threaded with a pipe machine. We didn't have a pipe machine with us, but this pipe in here is about 34.5 inches from end to end. That's what they had. So we had a 30-inch riser, which is already pre-cut and threaded for us, and then we just added a nipple and a coupling. So right about here you've got a coupling. So a little shorty 4-inch nipple sitting in here, coupling, and then a 30-inch riser up to a 90, and then that stubs out. So we went ahead and reinstalled this for you. I know that tile guy probably did not include any drywall demo or repair in his proposal to you, so we've gone ahead and put it back in. So we cut it right down center of studs, and we're going to need to get some more screws in, so we'll have to come back and put some more screws on this side. But so that's back in place. Cover plates in. Have them make sure that they cut this tile around this flange. Don't just cut a square. Cut around the flange. And so anyways, water's back on. We checked it for leaks. Outside of that, this installation is done.